Installation. Remove the outlet plug from the lubricator and screw the lubrication system into the lubrication point hand tight. After the discharge period has elapsed, Permaflex must be replaced with a new lubrication system filled with the same lubricant. Use a flat tool to remove the rotary switch. Take out the battery. For correct disposal of Permaflex and the empty battery, please follow the individual waste disposal regulations in your country. Check the operating instructions for more information.